I'm a huge fan of what's Gabi cooking. She made ground lamb, homemade hummus, and then this whole vegetable salad with Persian cucumbers and tomatoes. I'm super excited to make it, but I'm going to make it with ButcherBox bison because I have a lot of bison in my freezer and I need to start going through it. So I'm going to use the same seasonings and we'll see what happens. So the way this recipe starts is a good chunk of yellow onion in a cast iron skillet. I used ancient organic ghee. I put a pretty good serving size in there. I love ghee. It adds such great flavor to everything. Now I am adding something that she didn't have in her recipe, which is garlic, because I just think everything tastes better with garlic. So I'm going to chop up about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, but I'm going to wait until the onions get a little bit more translucent because you don't want your garlic to burn because then it's going to wreck your dish. All right, I'm about to add about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, but who's really counting? I just love garlic. So I'm adding that into my slightly browned onions. I'm gonna let that cook for about 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna add in my ButcherBox bison. Okay, my garlic and onions are getting nice and brown. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pop in my ButcherBox bison, which is my lamb replacement. And oh my gosh, we have a visitor in the kitchen, my husband.
Oh, good.
Which doesn't happen very often, I'm just saying. So, no offense, honey. Okay, it's good to go, and not a moment too soon because I'm so excited. Our daughter just drove in the driveway. She's visiting from Chicago, and this whole feast is a little family party today.